So I hope all of you know that CLAT 2020 was conducted on 28th of September. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in this video we are going to discuss about some details related to this CLAT 2020, and I'm definitely going to share a very good news related to the same. So before I share that good news, let me tell you that the answer key, the provisional answer key for this CLAT 2020 has been released, and now the students can raise their objections against it if they have any, and the last date to raise objections is September 29th. Means I think by now you must have raised your objections if you had any, and now the final answer key will be released on October 3. So you have to wait for that, and the merit list will be released on October 5. So this much information has been released. So after that, based on that merit list only, your admission process will start, and we will talk about this admission process in other video, because that is a detailed process. So I will make a separate video for that, so all of you stay tuned for the same. So now we will see certain other aspects related to the answer key and this merit list. So now these counseling sessions or admission process will start from October 9 to 15, and for that you will have to pay a fee of 25,000, and that will be paid on October 6 and 7. So this fee will be adjusted in the college fee later on. So if you know about the process of all these admissions in these universities, you have to pay a part payment. So similarly here also you will have to pay. Now let us check how to download this answer key. If you haven't checked it yet, you can follow these three simple steps and you can check your answer key. That you have to visit the official website, you have to click on the answer key link, and a PDF will open, and then you can check the answer key and you can download it, and you can check your scores. If you have any objection, you can send it, but by now I think it's a bit late, that the date is over and now it will be of no use. So now we have to see that those who will clear the exam, they will have to register for counseling to take admission. So in the first process of counseling, you will have to give your preference in terms of which college or course you want. So at least all the candidates will have to provide 5 preferences. Means this is compulsory for all the candidates to provide 5 preferences, and if you will not provide any preferences, then automatically your application form will be filled, and then in the second round no request will be you can say entertained in related to that change in your preferences. So be very careful about this thing, that you have to fill your 5 preferences. So now we will see that actually what is the news which I want to share with all of you, that the booking or counseling amount for this CLAT or law courses are actually earlier it was 50,000, but now because of this pandemic the fee has been reduced by 50%. The consortium has also resolved that instead of collecting fee for the entire year, this time it will be taken 50%. Means actually keeping in mind this COVID-19 hardship, 50% fee shall be paid at the time of admission. In different national law universities, the organizer said in an official notice. So this is a really big and good news for all the law aspirants, that this year you will not have to pay the complete admission fee, rather you can pay 50% and you can book your seat. So this is a big relief for all the people in this pandemic situation, and we are really helpful to the consortium for this. So please share this video with everybody, because this is a big news, and do subscribe to the channel if you